Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to
Order
another live
submitted.
session by Sliver Trades. This is Rao here. Market is in a big chop at this moment. So I'm trading micros. Cannot risk anything with minis at this moment
Target filled.
until 9 a.m. Central when the market cools off, and then I'll decide what to do. So I'm trading with two contracts. Two trades have been taken so far for $27 each, $54. If I wasn't doing the demo on live demo, I would have used minis. But while doing demos, I want to be extra careful because I'm doing multiple things. I am presenting, I'm talking, I am explaining the trades, uh, the rationale behind it. So when I multitasking, I don't want to take an undue risk and mess up a trade. So that's why I'm trading micros. Otherwise, minis would give a tremendous amount of profit. And in fact, I started early on my
Order
um,
sub. Target filled.
trade here. I started early and I was trying to experiment with something on my mobile phone. And what a day I
Order
had
filled.
in a long time early in the morning. So that I will cover some other day, but here I want to focus on minis. Um, sorry, micros with I'm on 15-second chart. Three trades have been taken so far for $82, two contracts.
Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled.
Another $27. If I had traded minis, it would have been $1,000 already. So market came down this morning at New York Open and then picked up liquidity um, from the bottom. And I expect the market to go up. I don't expect it to break this low again. Um, Picked up all the liquidity. Market fell for last 5 days continuous. I don't know when it happened last. Five continuous days of fall. Uh, and this morning market came down sharp and then picked up all the liquidity and came back up. So I expect the market to play around a bit and take all the possible liquidity and then start going back up. But let's see. Next couple of days, I expect the market to be in a uh, range with some upside move, swinging up, swinging back and forth, but moving up slightly, gently.
Order submitted.
after a trade when market kind of goes against you for big time, it's good to close up the target a little bit. Yeah, this red candle is not looking good to me. Maybe it came down to take the liquidity. Otherwise, it kind of um, engulfed this prior green bar here. It seems that it came down to grab liquidity, but you never know. I want to get out of this position as quickly as I can. It's pushing back up, touching it. So hopefully it
Target filled.
came out of that. Now I will decide what I should do. I've been going long, but seeing this engulfing bar here, I want to change my outlook. Unless market comes down here, I won't go long because my outlook is still bullish. There's the big green candles here, one big green candle. So market will retrace to this level before start to go up again. So I could reduce the contract size just to test the market scenarios.
Order
Yeah,
target filled.
right. So when in doubt, when you're not sure, either don't trade or reduce the position size. So quick $10. All right, good. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. I'll take one.
Order submitted.
Oops, I'm a bit late. I am a bit late here, late to the party. When it stretched out such a big time, I wanted to just do a quick scalp. So I took the trade manually, but it was too late. Market's too fast. Okay. So market is coming down to grab liquidity. That's what it's doing. So I'll prepare to scale in and get out of the position, but let's see. Not happy with what it's doing currently. Quick scalp would have been nice here. I should have stayed with my uh, um, contract in strategy instead of taking manual. Its market is too moving too fast. In matter of a fraction of seconds, it moves 10 points. Like 40 ticks in just less than a second. Here, by the time I saw this big red candle and clicked the button, uh, market was up about close to 20 points. My God, that's huge. So very choppy market. So at some point I want to add and then come out of the position somewhere here maybe, unless I'm given an opportunity to come out. So where to scale in? That's the question. So I will, oops, shoot, guys, the it got turned off. Just, I have to, software got glitched out. This is test software. We have been making changes, upgrading for our next release, number 3. So, so still few kinks to iron out, and it glitched out. So until this position gets closed, I cannot load my software. So I think last was, oops, just missed it. Missed it by whisker. Missed it by.
Order filled. Target filled.
I'm going to close this position, and I want to make sure nothing is open. All orders are killed before loading the software again. And just to show you guys where I stand, um, this is where I stand. Here you go. So with the trades that I had taken, it was $130. $130. I hope you all can see it. This $130. I was copying this to another account. This is a SIM account. I'm copying my trades to another evaluation account to see that, so there, I think $150. Maybe I took some trades before I on this account, but $130 is what I will count here while trading live. So you all can see $130, and I will start the session again. So let me make note of it here. Okay, just I will $130, and I'm going to restart my something glitched out, and the market is moving very fast. That is one of the reasons. Okay, so as I was predicting, market will go up after taking the liquidity. So I contrarian 2 I'm trading, and reduce the risk size to 1 a contract, position size to 1 contract. When I take contrarian, then I will increase it to 2 contracts. So let's see what it does. Yeah, market is pushing hard, pushing up hard. So here I started from clean slate, $0, but before that, it was $130 before the software got terminated or glitched out. So it's because of the new version of the software we are testing. The existing software should work fine. In fact, let me make sure enough number. Okay, this could be the reason. Oh, shoot. I know why it happened, But here a trade is coming, so I don't want to change the settings. If I miss the trade, then I will reload. Uh, Here I'm expecting a
Order
trade. Yes, I
submitted.
got a trade. Contrarian scale in. In aggressive mode. Ooh, this is not looking good. This is a huge drop. This is a huge drop.
Order submitted.
So I have scaled in. We'll wait to see if I get an exit. Almost there. All right,
Target
got an
filled.
exit, guys. Yeah, I call it break-even trade. $8.5. That's still break-even. Um, so now I'm in a fix whether to reset this chart or not because $8.5 are being shown here. So let me reset. Um, I will add here plus 8. $130 plus 8. Let me reset. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I want to load at least 20 days worth of data here. So I right click on the chart, go to data series, and load about 30 days is not bad either. 30 days. Sometimes you have to load 30 days of data for the software to work properly. It depends on the uh, type of chart, like what 15-second chart or 1 minute chart, what chart you are using. So I'm going to reload, and when I reload, everything gets reset. But the function should be much smoother when I do that. So here, contrarian trades again, I have loaded. So far $138. Hey guys, in big scheme of things, this 130, 138 may look very small, but the goal is to be able to make $100 consistently per account and be able to copy the trades across multiple accounts. I did not copy it across multiple accounts, but usually when I trade micros, I trade across multiple accounts. Or if I trade minis, then you don't have to copy because you would have made about $1,300 so far. So I'm not going to use contrarian 2. I will stick to contrarian strategy. So you need to be able to understand, be able to read the market and gauge the direction. Once you have a handle on the direction, the software takes off takes care of the rest of the minutia. Um, it'll take care of the mundane. Don't have to click buttons the way I do, to take manual trades. You can just let the software handle um, the trades. So, um, so my bias is still bullish. Market has been coming down to pick up liquidity, going back up. It comes down big time. We have to be careful, like how it came down here, but it took the liquidity and went back up. I'll go back to my two contracts, ATM2. So my outlook is bullish for the day. So let's see how it pans out. Market is pushing higher, holding up nicely here, but it could come down, sweep the liquidity, and then go back up. So that's why I'm not taking contrarian two strategy. Otherwise, contrarian two would have given me a couple of good trades. So by now, yeah, it's a lot of time. It's test of patience.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. So
Order filled.
So I wanted to show you the copy trade here. I was trading on SIM here, and uh, trades were getting copied on another account. Just to give you an idea, so $27 here.
Order filled.
Within a second, it was less than a second, $27. So $55 total.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Right, $27 again.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, $27 again. So for four trades, $109. Before that, those who joined me from the beginning, they saw um, in another session it was $130, then $8, then uh, I had to reset the software um, because of different reasons. Um, so far it's about $250 day, close to $250 just with micros. If I had traded minis, it would have been 2,500. $2,500. The reason I'm not trading micros is I'm not trading minis is because of high volatility. Market is very choppy, and I don't want to blow up any of my accounts, whether they are evaluation accounts or funded accounts. So just being watchful.
Order filled. Order filled.
$27 again. So Those who are interested in funded accounts or evaluation accounts, I think Bullnox sale is ending today. So load up on your evaluation accounts if you are interested. Only $15 and change per account. Let me make sure. Yes, today is the last day. Make sure to take advantage of it. Not sure when that this deal will come back. Bullnox is known for doing this kind of deals often, but they stayed with this deal for long, so I doubt they will come back with it soon. They might still run the 83% off deal, but market is pushing up nicely, guys. I wanted to get into a trade and ride um, my position, but I didn't get a good entry. Ooh, missed the ride, guys. I wanted to see if I could get an entry here and then be able to ride um, the move all the way. But yeah, things like this happen. But we have to be happy with what we made so far. About $260, $265. Yeah, so as I was saying, market picked up liquidity from the bottom and it will most likely go up. Um, so that's what it's doing. Again, it's always possible that market goes and grabs the liquidity on the top and then comes back down. Sometimes it comes back down all the way down, it goes below. So that also happens. But at least for now, it's in the uptrend. It's going somewhere to grab where the liquidity is, wherever it is, or hit some resistance level. I'm going to reduce the contract size now because a bubble has formed here. And if I'm stuck in this, then I'll get quite a bit of heat. So I am going to trade only one contract because market has moved, made quite a bit of move here. It would likely to correct itself, come down to this level here, 700 level, and then move back up. So that's why I reduced my contract size. So again, guys, Bitcoin is also moving up. It seems like it also grabbed liquidity. It came down to 78,000 level and now moving back up. So Nasdaq and Bitcoin. In fact, Bitcoin and the markets are now correlated. Bitcoin moves down, the market, especially Nasdaq, goes down. Bitcoin goes up, Nasdaq goes up. So those who are interested in joining our program, they will get Bitcoin program as well. Um, so which they can, um, with that knowledge, they can do swing trading. Oops, one trade was supposed to come here, but did not. This is perfect scenario to trade default trades. So it's moved up quite a bit. Otherwise, I would have shown you default trades. Uh, all this while here, default trades would have been very nice. Or even, contrarian 2. So when I started contrarian 2, I think here, here I got trade and I market pulled back. Then I had to um, change change my strategy to regular contrarian, and that did not help. So things like this happen. We had to be ready to understand what strategy to apply in a particular market. I would have been aggressive if it was in it was the beginning of the trading session, but since I had already made $270, I tend to be conservative, so I did not apply any aggressive strategy. I expect market to correct from here because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For last 12 minutes, market has been going up. So some correction has to happen at some point. So I'll grab some water and come back. All right, guys, I'm back. Um, as I was saying, I'll expect some correction here, and that's what is happening. Um, let me
Order
take this
filled.
trade manually. Come on, give me, give me that. Yes. Sometimes I see the market becoming patient, and by the time I took the trade, market moved away further
Order
by
filled.
$10. So, guys, it may look that it's like I'm picking up crumbs, picking up pennies, just $10, $20. But this is important that we understand how to trade. Um, in my, if I wasn't live, I would have used minis or increase my contract size. But um, I I want you guys to follow discipline. In the beginning, especially when you are new, you need to be able to take trades, good trades, profitable trades consistently, and that can happen only by staying small. Once you have become an expert, you want learn to read the market, you can increase the contract size or trade minis. uh, Here you see that I have like close to $300 already. Once $300 per account is not a small number. You can copy trade um, multiple accounts, and then you can multiply this profit. I was copy trading into only one account, but if I was copy trading into two accounts, this profit would have been uh, close to $600, and that's good profit on this kind of choppy market. So, what I mean by choppy market, on 15-second chart, ATR is 14. That's choppy market, and it was when we started to trade, it was like about 20. So that's very high volatility. I would choppy is not the right word. It's trending up, so I shouldn't use the word choppy. But it's a highly volatile market. So ATR is 15. My ideal ATR is about 6 to 8. So for that, I cannot reduce the charts chart to 5 second chart. Maybe I should show you guys how to trade on 5 second chart, but that's not the goal here. I'm not doing a training session. I'm doing live trading and showing you. Uh, I am giving you some training, but that's not the. So here I could trade a super scalper. Let's see if I get a super scalper trade. I did not get. So I'll get when I'll get. Or that's also called churn scalper. If it is below uh, 21 SMA. Let me call it churn scalper. Yeah, it has come quite a bit close to 21 SMA. Didn't get it. I should have gotten one trade here, but if it was this red candle was green candle, I would have gotten a churn scalper trade. And that's why I have manual buttons. So once you become expert, you know if market is in the right place, you can trade manually. Market is still pushing down. I think it will come down to um, not. I think it should come down to this green line. It should come down 30 points more, 20 to 30 points more from here. Yeah, I couldn't take contrarian trades. Sorry, short trades here. But this is a bullish day. I don't want to risk.
Order filled.
Okay, so one churn scalper trade here,
Order filled.
$10, 158. Trust me, it was a risky trade, guys. To be honest, in this the price was too close to 21 SMA for churn scalper. But again, uh, it is a bullish day. I am I'm ready to take a risk to the upside. My outlook will be bullish until the market um, comes to its green line and stays above it. If it sustains below this green line, which is VWAP line, I will reevaluate my outlook for the market. So I can show you how to trade manually as well with this software. But
Order submitted.
here you go.
Order filled.
One trade,
Order filled.
$10. So here I'm going to take trades with two contracts. If I get a no, this I'll wait for it to sustain above this green line. No, um, market wants to correct some more. Maybe it'll come down to, let's see. Let me see, watch closely. Okay. Stay with one contract.
Order filled. Order filled.
$10. 179. So close at 300. We exceeded 300 here. Now I will go with two contracts if I get a trade. Shall I take the manual trade here? No. Let me do it.
Order filled.
And I will pull the target to higher level. Close this one.
Order filled.
A few dollars, not much, but my goal is to see if I can ride this. Here you go. I want to ride this if I can. I will add more here. Already. Break even. Now move the stop higher.
Order
Oops.
filled.
Didn't work out. But $35. Market did not continue. So it will grab some more liquidity here and then move back up. Try to wait.
Order filled.
Okay. One trade here.
Order filled.
$10 to $25 here. Super scalper. Nah, it's sideways. Market is sideways. So I want it to make up its mind before I start trading again. So far $350. Yep. Here earlier in other sessions, won $30 and $8 before I reset the session. And in the current session, it's $225. So I will trade live for a few more minutes. I think I started early around this time, around 8:40 something, and I've traded for 1 hour. And that's my recommendation. You trade 1 hour, make your living, and move on. And I copy traded only one account. If I copy traded multiple accounts, it would have been, you know, um, this $350 times those many accounts. So So maybe I'll sum it up now. Uh, so those who are interested in Bullnox accounts, uh, use the code Sliver. Let me show the ad. All right, here you go. So Bullnox accounts 91% off ending today. Ending today. Code is Sliver. And then there are other deals are also ending today. Uh, then there is uh, Tradify. This one is ending tomorrow. Actually, this was extended till end of this month. So this Tradify accounts are also available till today, 30% off on any account, evaluation or funded accounts. Um, you don't have to, if you don't want to pass evaluation, want to go directly into funded accounts, you can use this. And then Tick Trader, let me see. I thought I had those promos. Tick Trader is running 40% off on evaluation accounts. Yeah, this one. So, sorry, funded accounts. Uh, 40% off on funded accounts. So you can use the code Sliver40 for um, funded accounts. Evaluation accounts is, I believe it's 30%. So yeah, so these are the options you have. If any code does not work, feel free to email me, info@slivertrades.com. And here goes the market again. Um, so anyway, with this, I decided to sum it up, right, for you guys. So let me sum it up. We have 130 and $138 here, and $225 here. So 225 plus 130 plus 8 is close to $363, if my math is right. Okay. In 1 hour. All right, guys, this is your day today. 363 in 1 hour with micros. With micros, that's important, guys. Even with micros, you can make enough. $360 is big, not a big money, but you can copy trade multiple accounts, and this could become easily $1,000, right? It in just one account, it's $363. So imagine if you copy trade into 3 accounts, it's $1,000. So consistency is important. Um, doesn't matter if it's a small trade, but if you want to join us, join our program, get the software, lifetime license of the software, visit slivertrades.com. We'll give you all the needed education, how to use the use the software, how to monitor, how to read the market, and also funded accounts. So visit slivertrades.com, download the ebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really request you to subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can watch us trade live. We are doing it almost every day. Uh, so um, come back. Thank you for joining. Bye now.